This is Watchman Leadership Restoration. If you're just finding this page, I need to say something from the beginning. This is not a motivation page. This is not a hustle Christianity page. This is not entertainment. My name is Ricky Pearson, and I'm the founder of Watchman Leadership Restoration. And I speak to men who know there's something in their lives or in their leadership that is out of order. Not men who are looking for shortcuts. Not men who are looking for comfort. Not men for looking for someone to blame. I'm talking to men who started aligned with God, got blessed, got busy, got compromised, and now they feel tired, confused, numb, and divided inside. Watchman Leadership Restoration exists for men who are willing to tell the truth, take responsibility, and walk back into obedience. This work is not about success. It's about alignment. It's not about image repair. It's about identity restoration. And it's not about advancement. This is about reverence. If you're here for comfort or shortcuts, this page isn't for you. But if you're here because God is telling you something and you keep avoiding it, stay. Because restoration isn't for everybody. It's only for the willing. So if this is for you, follow this page. But go ahead and comment ready so I know who this is for. Much love and respect.